Here's what you'll need: just a heat gun. This one had different attachments. I put like a flat attachment on it. That way you can heat up this emblem more evenly. Have to heat up the old one to get it off. I'll show you that next. But here's the new emblem. Here's the part number. And this is a genuine FD2 Type R emblem. So it fits the 8th gen front perfect. Came in this little cardboard box right here. Also came on a piece of cardboard. Alright, so I got this good and hot. It's starting to peel off. I did use a flathead screwdriver just to get in behind it to open it up a little bit. Enough room to get my fingers and then to put some heat back behind it. It really helps. Careful not to burn yourself. But once you get it nice and hot, you can see how gooey and soft that becomes. Now this is an aftermarket emblem, obviously, that I'm taking off. When I did remove the stock one, there were some plastic screws, or no, there were some metal screws behind it that I didn't know about. So just be aware, if you are going to remove your stock emblem, there are 2 screws that you access from behind this little grill piece right here. But for this, it's pretty easy. Comes off pretty easy. That's it. Out with the old. If you need to kind of treat this like you're prepping it to paint it, you want to make sure this is really clean. I used an alcohol wipe or a prep pad after sanding a little bit with like 800 grit. You just want to clean this and make sure there's nothing on there that's going to get in the way of your new emblem sticking really well. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is just warm up the new emblem before peeling the paper back. Just going to warm up the glue. Also, it doesn't hurt to go over this, make sure it's completely dry. You can see how the plastic kind of curled up from the heat. And these black plastic pins are going to help you line this up. Just very carefully, take your time. You only want to do this once. You'll feel the pins kind of fall into place. So once you get this where you want it, you need to make sure you hold pressure on it for at least 30 seconds. Push all the corners. You can do 2 hands. Whatever works for you. Just make sure you keep some pressure. As long as you warm up that glue on the new emblem, it should stick perfectly. And if you have any issues, just leave the emblem in place. Don't try to peel it off because you'll ruin the glue. And just hit it with a little bit of heat wherever you need to, and then apply more pressure and hold. And you should be good. double check it, give it like an hour or so, and then come back and check it, make sure it's not popping up everywhere, and that's pretty much it. Looks way better than the old one. Little comparison. Old and the new. Much better.